equals does your device need fixing? We offer a free diagnosis. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls or travel needed. We send you a quote before repairing, and only go ahead if you approve it. Easy, transparent, and professional. Link in description. In this tutorial, we will walk you through the process of replacing the original keyboard on your Lenovo IdeaPad. Before we begin, ensure you have the following tools at hand: a Phillips screwdriver, a plastic spudger, and a clean workspace. First, power off your laptop and disconnect it from any power source. It's crucial to avoid any electrical hazards during this process. Next, flip the laptop over to access the back panel. Using your Phillips screwdriver, remove the screws securing the back cover. Keep these screws in a safe place as you will need them later. Once the screws are removed, gently pry open the back cover using the plastic spudger. Be careful not to apply too much force, as this could damage the clips holding the cover in place. With the back cover off, locate the battery connector. Disconnect the battery to ensure safety while working on the internal components. Now, let's focus on the keyboard. You will need to remove the screws that secure the keyboard in place. These are usually located around the edges of the keyboard. After removing these screws, gently lift the keyboard from the top edge and slide it upwards to release it from the clips. If you find this process a bit daunting, remember we offer professional diagnosis without obligation. Our team can assist you if you're unsure about any steps. Next, disconnect the keyboard ribbon cable from the motherboard. This is a delicate process, so take your time. Use the spudger to carefully lift the connector latch and slide the ribbon cable out. With the old keyboard removed, it's time to clean the area. Use a can of compressed air to blow out any dust or debris that may have accumulated inside your laptop. This will help ensure optimal performance once the new keyboard is installed. Now, take your new keyboard and align it with the connector on the motherboard. Slide the ribbon cable into the connector and secure it by pressing down the latch. Once connected, gently place the keyboard back into its position, ensuring it clicks into place. Reinsert the screws you removed earlier to secure the keyboard. After that, reconnect the battery and replace the back cover. Secure it with the screws you set aside earlier. If you're feeling overwhelmed by this process, don't forget that we offer pickup and delivery at your home. This means you can avoid the hassle of traveling and making calls. Just let us know, and we'll take care of everything for you. Finally, power on your laptop to test the new keyboard. Ensure all keys are functioning correctly. If everything is in order, congratulations! You've successfully replaced the keyboard on your Lenovo IdeaPad. If you encounter any issues, remember we provide a quote before repair, ensuring you know the costs upfront. Thank you for following along, and happy computing! Does your device need fixing? We offer a free diagnosis. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls or travel needed. We send you a quote before repairing, and only go ahead if you approve it. Easy, transparent, and professional. Link in description.